Hello, today we will guide you through how to pay bills in Xero. We'll start on the Xero homepage. From here, head to the area where your supplier bills are managed. Click Purchases, then select Bills. This opens a clear view of everything you've entered from suppliers so you can decide what needs paying next. To focus on bills that are approved and ready to be settled, switch to the Awaiting Payment section. This view filters out drafts and already paid items, so you're only looking at the bills that still need action. It's a simple way to avoid paying the wrong document or duplicating a payment. Next, choose the bill you want to pay by clicking into it. Opening the bill lets you review key details like the supplier, due date, and total. Take a moment to confirm the amounts and tax treatment look correct before you record the payment. A quick review now can save time during reconciliation later. On the bill, set the date paid. Pick the date that matches when the money will leave or has left your bank account. Aligning this date with your actual bank transaction keeps your general ledger and bank reconciliation clean and accurate. Now choose the Paid From account. This is the bank account, credit card, or cash account you're using to make the payment. Select the correct account from the drop-down so Xero posts the spend to the right place. If you regularly pay from more than one account, double-check this selection before proceeding. If you're issuing a physical check, turn on the Pay by Check option. This marks the transaction appropriately and helps keep your payment method consistent across reports and reconciliations. If you're paying electronically, you can leave this option off. When everything looks right, the date paid, the Paid From account, and the payment method, click Add Payment. Xero will record the payment against the bill and update its status accordingly. You'll see the bill move out of awaiting payment and a matching spend transaction will be created in the selected bank account. After recording the payment, reconciliation will be smoother if your bank feed is connected, since the bank transaction can be matched to the payment you just added. If something doesn't match later, first recheck the date and the Paid From account you selected here. That's it. You've moved from locating your bills, to filtering what's due, to recording a clean, accurate payment in Xero. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.